Alright folks, Chris here from the Black Dragon Metalworks, also at the No. 9 Mining Museum here in Lansford, Pennsylvania. We're making a leaf hook from start to finish. If you haven't seen the beginning, please see video number 1 and 2. It'll teach you how to make the leaf. Right now we're going to worry about where the hole's going to go, and we're also going to cut it off and form the actual hook so that the entire thing is finished. Now I have it heating up in my fire right here. This is bituminous coal. I have it to about a yellow heat, that's where I want it. Now I'm just going to flatten this section out a little bit. Turn it over. That's perfect. Right where I want it, okay? So now I'm going to cut it off, and we're going to form the hook portion of it. Get my cut-off chisel. Got it right about here. Alright. Now we're going to draw it out in a nice pigtail. Okay? Get this out of the way. Don't need that no more. Alright, now we're going to draw it out into a nice pigtail. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can leave it as a point like it is now. What I like to do is I like to flatten my point just a little bit. It makes a different design. Now my hook's going to come up this way, so I want my hook to be this way. Just like that. Alright. So we got a nice pigtail right there. We want to cool that portion of it. Just like that. Alright. Now for the all important part, and that is to form the hook. Make sure you utilize that bit of your anvil, the horn of your anvil. That will give you its shape. Don't be afraid to use this as a guide. Alright, I'm going to cool that tip down just one more time. I don't want that to go anywhere. Okay? Alright. Oop, little dropsies. There you go. There's your finished hook. From start to finished. Hope this helped everyone out. We'll see you guys later at the Black Dragon Metalworks here at No. 9 Mining Museum. Practice and enjoy.